Hey, good morning to everybody. Um, just sitting here this morning. It's about 6:30. Uh, just relaxing, having a little talk. Maybe check over the markets and everything before I gotta get my son up ready off to school. Oh, there goes the motorcycle. Yeah, I do this from my front porch because I like sitting on my porch, and relaxing. Uh, I'm a crypto guy, nurse. You know, shoot, crypto basically has afforded me the opportunity, along with my nursing, to to only work half my days. I only work 3 days a week, sometimes more because I choose to, just because they offer crazy money to come in and work. But I can supplement my income and drastically increase my savings just through doing mostly what are simple things in crypto. I'm not one of these wizard geniuses that pulls out all these different indicators and this and that. And I just look at a few simple things, check out the news, see what's going on, and make my moves from there. Don't get me wrong. I'd love to go, spend $100 and make $1 million like you see it on from that Pepe coin and that kind of bullshit. Don't get me wrong. I'd love that, but I don't invest with that being my or trade with that being my goal, because you lose out on thousands and thousands of dollars and never hit is what the odds are. So, and that's the key about trading and investing is playing the odds. Now, now, uh, now, I went in yesterday. I got on KuCoin, and I got in like I've been talking about with that short. I started $1,000 profile. I put in 750 on an Ethereum, uh, three short coin, and 250 on the Litecoin, 3x coin. And you know, I shorted. Things are going up right now because we just had the debt ceiling deal done. There's a little bit of euphoria going on. Um, I was not expecting that deal to be done till sometime today. Uh, but they passed it late last night, caused a big jump. Um, I'm guessing when markets open, we're probably going to see a sell off. We're having such a big run up on after hours that kind of expecting to see a sell off. And who knows about continuation or not, maybe for the day, maybe for the weekend. It depends on how things look with volume, money coming in, and stuff like that. Real easy things to look at. You can see on the indicators at the bottom of your screen, the volume is, it's just a bar. If bars are getting bigger, that means there's more volume in whichever direction your uh, your poles are going, your candlesticks are going. So things have slowed down, cooled off a little bit. Um, Let me check out. Hold on. See what Ethereum's doing right now. We got Ethereum. Okay. Daily. It has not broke. It did not break back above that the daily close we had a couple days ago at 1910. It hasn't broken that. So looking like, we got a little bump this morning. We're just going to end up traveling on down a little bit more. That's what I'm hoping and looking for. Follow trend lines. We're still below the trend line a little bit. um, like I said, that 1900 to 1910 resistance is going to be crucial not to break. It is kind of looking like, you know, we might start forming an ascending triangle. It's possible it's going into ascending channel or something on Ethereum. We're really kind of at a breaking point right here where over the weekend, you hate to say over the weekend is when it's going to kind of make its decision which way it's going to go. But weekend moves really aren't reliable because they're usually low volume. Other markets are closed. So, you know, it's kind of an iffy place. So that's why right now I kind of put my trades in, keep track of them day by day. Um, I mean, I always keep track of them day by day, but I keep a closer eye, maybe hour by hour with these things. And just waiting, to just be able to grab little profits right now. I don't think we're in the midst of a big move. And if it is a big move, it's going to be a big move down. Not that it isn't possible for us to jump up. Let's see, Bitcoin at 27. We could hit the 30,000, 31,000. But I think we're going to end up closing and staying below that 30,500, which is like the line in the sand. If we could get like 2 weekly closes, like it goes up over 30,500 close, and then stay above for another week, then you're looking at a possible bull case scenario where we were going to have a run up to like $48,000, which would be crazy. Totally screw all my shorts, but I can get out of them and switch over to longs. That's pretty easy to do. But that's why instead of doing real leverage, I use the leverage ratio tokens, because you don't have to worry about an options call. Yeah, the value of your stuff goes down, but you still have that much. You can sit and let it ride. It's got a very small maintenance fee to be able to hold that token. I think it was like, I don't know, it was something stupid. It was like $2 a day on 1,000, something like that, like 20 cents on 100 a day. So that's not bad. I also got that Litecoin in. The reason I picked Litecoin, Litecoin is fairly predictable. Now it did this morning just boost up above the previous 93 high mark, 93,994. It's at like 95 right now. But really, as long as we stay under that 100 mark, we should be good. I think we're going to get a good solid rejection off that 100, 105, somewhere in there, that range. Rejection, and we're going to pull back. I think we're going to end up under 80, back around 60 fairly soon with that, which would be remarkable. Ooh, sunrise. Sun just came up over the horizon, up over the tree line. Ooh, that's bright. See the shadow from my post behind me. Other than that, not much going on. Let's see, you got anything going on my... Nothing going on my Snapchat. Got a message. I have to call her. Let's see. Let's see. Still, let's see. I ain't getting no viewers yet. Of course not. Never do. But it's cool. Nothing really going on. It's kind of early where I'm at. It's only 6:40 in the morning. Probably be on here till about 7, seeing what's going on. Sitting here getting blazed in the morning on my day off. I don't know what else is going on. Let me check out some of my crypto news, people. See if I see anything. Subscription today. Here's an interesting fact, not really news, but did you know that Michael Jordan makes $400 a minute per just point blank period, just breathing? He makes $400 a minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, just for breathing. That is a brilliant businessman right there. Shit, I need that. So we got another guy, Jason Pizzino. He does a lot of good chart analysis. I listen to watch him. He tends to think that we're going to continue in this uptrend. He's he seems to be convinced. I don't think so. I think we're going to go down. I think 19.5 for Bitcoin, and I think we might even get down to 1100 for Ethereum. That would be definitely 1100 for Ethereum. Is how far we're going to go back down, retrace minimum. Big explosion after that, quite possible. I would expect it once it hits the bottom to have a big reject. But the other thing that can happen is when you hit a bottom, people lose faith in this kind of market. And, mosquito. But people lose faith in the market when shit crashes that much. And you get incredible selling pressure, and you can get those big wicks down like we did with Ethereum down to 700, Bitcoin down to 15 something. And going into a recession is probably going to be hitting at that point. Who knows what kind of wick down flash scare selling you can get from these assets here. So let's see. George from Cryptos R Us, he thinks this pattern that we got going on with this breakout is a huge bullish pattern. I tend to agree it is, but this being fresh out of a long bear market, we didn't really have any other bear market rallies. We always have a bear market rallies. And this is showing the signs of it with that 30,500 sign that I said and put up, that we're not really attacking that back aggressively. If you look at the highs, even on the daily, they've been declining. The lows have been getting lower. It's not the fast, violent down crashes for the most part, but we're getting range movement. We had that big fast run up from the lows, and I think we're going back down to the lows. We might not get all the way back to 15, but at least 19.5, 18. I'm really positive we're going to hit those again before we take off. Is it possible we do go up to that 48,000 level? It's possible, but I'm not really seeing it on the charts at this time. That's why I say, like, right now, you're buying whole bags. It's a little early, I think, especially on the alts. I think we're going to see the alts go down more in altcoins or anything but Bitcoin and stable coins. I don't consider stable coins alts. A lot of people don't consider Ethereum an altcoin anymore because it has gotten so big and does so much and has become basically mainstream. So technically Ethereum is an altcoin. Anything besides Bitcoin is an altcoin. So but yeah, the market for altcoins is looking pretty ugly. Definitely looking like we're going to have more time down on the altcoins, which are the very most speculative ones and most volatile. There are a few of them that I'm looking to pack my bags a little bit more for. Gala Games is the big one. HBAR, big ones. Looking for those two to continue to drop. Me personally, I'm not looking. To Okay, I don't know. I just got lost in my little Snapchat shit going on. It's all good. But yeah, I'm just chilling out. Probably about to end this shit. Got to go in and get my son ready for school. Um, so yeah, but gotta get my son ready for school, get him up, do this. I'll be back out on this a little bit later, talking about shit. Uh, I'll be going over some things. Probably, I don't know how I'm gonna figure this out because I'm not good with these camera shits. Play some shit, talk about some shit off my phone, the news. Um, we'll see what's going on. We'll have a good morning today. Talk to you a little bit. Deuces.